how to turn off autoplay on YouTube mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay in the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the YouTube app, then select your profile icon in the bottom right labeled You. Once in You, select the gear in the top right to open the settings, and then just scroll down and under Video and Audio Preferences, select Playback. Now there's a couple settings we can turn off. If you want to turn off autoplay for the next video, after you've watched a video, you can toggle that off. Next, we can disable autoplay in feeds. And this is where if you're scrolling through videos, either through search or on your home screen in the feeds, you'll see the video start playing a preview of the video. You can turn that off by selecting that, and you can turn it off completely by selecting off, or you can change it to Wi-Fi only if you want to save data. So once you've selected off and turned off autoplay next video, you have now disabled autoplay on YouTube, and you can now go back to YouTube and start enjoying it with autoplay disabled. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.